Hello, this is Akiva Silver from Twisted Tree Farm, and I'm looking at some hazelnuts. Now, a lot of people miss out on their hazelnut harvest for various reasons. Sometimes they're just unlucky and the squirrels get them all, or blue jays do. But sometimes it's because they didn't pick them in time. Hazelnuts are ripe pretty early in the season. If you wait until the fall, you'll miss them. So right now it's August 27th, and I'm out here picking hazelnuts in New York State. And so the way I tell if they're ripe is if they move in the husk. So there's different types of hazels. These ones are more of a European style, so you can see they don't, the husk doesn't enclose the nut completely. But it's the same whether you got American or European genetics. Anyway, here's a nut right here, and it's in the husk, and you know it's ripe if you push on it. It's really hard to do with one hand, trying to hold the camera. But you'll know it's ripe if you push on it and it wiggles out of the husk. Let me see if I can do it with one hand here. So there we go. See that? It broke totally free of the husk. And there's the clean bottom of the nut right there, or top of the nut. Anyways, it breaks free. So that means I can pick them. It doesn't matter that they're still like kind of white or greenish. They will actually turn brown as time goes on if I just leave them out to cure. But right now that's a viable nut. So if I come, and that means I can pick that whole bush. I'll do a few samples to make sure, but I'll pick that whole bush today. Now these ones are, this is more of an American style husk, but they're all hybrid plants. Anyways, if I push on these nuts, oh, that one came right out. What do you know? I pushed on one of these earlier. Let's see. Yeah, if I push on this, it's firm. It's firm in there. I can't get it out, and so I'll just wait until those ripen. Usually around the first week of September is when we harvest most of our hazels in this climate. And all it is a matter is just going around and grabbing all these nice clusters. Usually several nuts to a cluster, and it goes pretty fast. I love harvesting hazelnuts. So these bushes, if you're just curious, they're 10 years old. I'll show you what this 10-year-old hazel hedge looks like. It's a really short hedge. It's only like 10 plants. But it's pretty nice. Pretty amazing plants to me. Super easy to grow. They don't take any care. And they make a lot of really good nuts. Okay, thank you for watching.